Hello, I am Keen. Today we will listen to a story. After listening to the story, I will ask some questions from that. You can answer that in a word or more. This will improve your spoken English and memory strength. Let's begin. Meet the Henry family. Henry is a professor in a university and father of two children. He goes to work by car every weekday. He takes rest on the weekends. Henry's wife, Amisha, is a hairstylist. She also contributes her earnings to the home. She is a very innocent person. Abigail is a daughter of the Henrys. She is a college student. She is very good in studies. Here is the joyful son of the Henrys, Adam. He is very passionate about playing guitar. He speaks 4 languages: Hindi, English, Spanish, and Russian. In the weekends, all of them spend time together with so much laughter at the fountain in their house. This is the end of the story. Now, I will ask some questions out of it, and you can answer that in a word or more. Let's start. What is Henry's profession? Is he a musician? No, he is not a musician. Henry is a professor in a university. How does Henry commute to work? Does he go daily? Yes, Henry commutes to work by car every weekday. What does Amisha do for a living? Amisha is very innocent. She is a hairstylist. What does Amisha contribute to the household? She contributes her earnings to the household. How many children does Henry have? Henry has 2 children, Abigail and Adam. How does Henry spend his weekends? Does he go to beach on weekends? No, he doesn't go to the beach. Henry takes rest on the weekends. Who is Abigail? What does she do? Abigail is Henry's daughter. She is a college student. What is Adam passionate about? Adam is passionate about playing the guitar. How many languages does Adam speak? Adam speaks 4 languages: Hindi, English, Spanish, and Russian. How do the Henry family members spend their weekends together? The Henry family spends their weekends together with so much laughter at the fountain of the house. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you loved the video, you can give us a like and subscribe to the channel.